All right, if you guys can see, this is the entire kit that you get included with it. You get the safety gear. So if you're ready to go to the field and start your project, this is the perfect thing for you. So let's go ahead and continue.
So here we have the 6 accessories for this beautiful jackhammer. And it comes, besides the 6 accessories, it comes with your oil container, your extra brushes that they're always handy. When you're in a job site, you don't want to run them to a store. So have them on hand. Safety glasses that are really nice. Your Allen wrench to tie up which position you need to grab the handle to remove it, to release it. An extra set of wrench to service it. And most important, this is a locking device to put the tips in here. You remove and release it. Now we're going to show you guys how to put the tips into the jackhammer. You pull this release. You got to make sure it's a little bit strong because you need a detention. So you're going to pull it back, slide it in this way. Then you got to flip it around to lock it. You just move it around and it's locked completely so it doesn't pop out on you while you're working. So to tie up the handle when you want to put it to a different position, you need an extra wrench to hold the bolt at the bottom. And it comes with Allen wrench. You just need to get yourself an extra wrench. And you put it down here to hold it. And then you start tightening your wrench. So if you leave your instructions to put the oil, on this sticker I should tell you the type of oil that it needs before you start using it. Make sure you get the right one before start turning on the machine because you will damage the machine.
To handle this one compared to the larger one. Oh shoot, that was a big ass piece. Nice. Perfect, man. Well, you got the handle of it already. Check this out. There was a tree here and the jackhammer helped out to remove some of the roots, but look at this, nice and clear now from before and after. So hope you guys enjoy the video.